I was thinking that I know exactly what I want for my birthday.
Ooh. Oh wait, it's not what I want, is it? I got you another birthday gift. So you should open that one first, and then we can start stove hunting.
Okay.
Yes, I've already opened it for you.
Is this payback for the Christmas shirt?
No, that actually has value.
It looks like something that you would stick in a turkey.
Kind of, not very far off. In theory, that's gonna fix your oven
What?
without having to buy new. So technically, I am giving you what you really want, a working oven for your birthday. And since that's actually what you asked for, you'll be getting what you wanted.
And you're gonna fix this?
I am going to install that
Today?
right now.
I want you to state for the record, on camera, that if this part does not fix the oven, that we will go find a new one this month.
Wait,
In January.
how's that song go? Never gonna get it, never
2021.
gonna get it, never gonna get it.
Let's do this. Hey, I see you're wearing the Christmas shirt I got you.
Of course, if I'm lucky, I'll spill grease or something all over it, and darn, I'll have to throw it away now. Let's get the nut drivers. Okay.
Well,
Okay, there we go. So, this is the light. This is the temperature probe. Okay, so first things first, let's see if the connector is the right connector. Let me see the new one. So, the connector is slightly different.
oh, no.
Oh wait,
Did you unplug the wrong thing?
no.
Oh.
It actually stated in the thing that it might be a different connector, and it said to basically splice in the new connector if that were the case. Well, the old one's out. They said to use porcelain wire nuts.
Let me guess.
I do not have porcelain wire nuts. I don't know if I've ever seen porcelain wire nuts. Now, really it's a thing of you got to use something that's not going to get too hot. Not going to say.
No, it's just our thing. Like, whenever something's supposed to be simple, it never is.
Oh yeah, I mean, in theory, one screw back in, that should be done. This should be like a 10-minute job. The one thing that I had to worry about just bit me in the arse. Okay, short story long.
No, long story short.
I don't do short stories. Okay, long story short. Everything that I have access to easily is rated up to about 250 degrees. And while I comfortably feel safe saying that this little panel area back here is not going to get over that, still, because of what it is, I would like to fix it correctly. So, I can get the porcelain wire nuts here on Monday from Amazon for $8.99. But in the meantime, before I waste money, I want to go ahead and just use regular wire nuts, go ahead and put the new one in so we can test it to see if that's the problem. So, short-term fix, I'm going to go ahead and put the wire nuts on, test it to make sure it works. Order the porcelain wire nuts, they'll be here Monday, permanent fix.
Will he be able to fix it, or will we have to buy a new oven? Come back on Tuesday to find out. Comment below what you think will happen.
None of this gets put in the outtakes.
So this part right here is going to fix the oven.
Possibly. Logically speaking, it is the most likely part to have gone bad at the current age of this oven and the current symptoms that it is exhibiting.
And hope it sticks.
And hope it sticks. If not, I've got some other ideas.
Dirty man. Look, wait.
That's what I was talking about. What were you talking about?
Wait, it's a COVID test.
No, it's a nasal sinus cleaner.
Okay, it's a COVID test.
I just wanted you to record me pulling it out.
See you next time.